Hey, my friend, we're going to talk about if you're over 55 and you still need a side hustle income. Are we ready? I don't have a slide for it, but the disclaimer is this is educational purposes only. I can't promise you anything. I don't know what you're going to do, what your mindset is. This is just something to allow you to think about the process as you're looking for ways to generate extra income online. Okay. So, real talk, real question. Have you ever felt like you know how to help others succeed, right? But your own finances just aren't where you want them to be. You have the who, what, why, wow, when, why for other people, but when it comes to your own finances, your own side hustle, you're not really where you want to be, and it's okay to feel that way. So you're bogged down financially, and not to just keep driving that pain point home, but you're in between these bills, debt every day, expenses, and it really is easy to feel stuck. And finding a real solution can feel so overwhelming. And I don't want you to be overwhelmed. That's why I am covering this with you. So, just to lighten the load for you, there are new possibilities surrounded by you, possibilities that you may have not thought of. Generally, when those of us, because I work full time as well, and been in my career 20 plus years, you probably have as well. But generally, those of us who work, we only can think of a couple of different ways on how we can start a side hustle. Maybe we're selling candles, or you know, selling t-shirts, or having a garage sale, or going to find things to buy, repurpose them and sell them on eBay or Etsy. There's nothing wrong with that. Even going and get a part-time job. Those are a lot of things that we think about. But there are new possibilities for you, ways for you to, I don't want to get ahead of myself in this presentation, but there's ways where you don't have to use a lot of effort. So, what if this new possibility meant that you didn't have to start from scratch? Right. And you could step into something that's already built for you. You don't have to spend a lot of time building it. So this is my invitation to you. This is a ready-made course. All right. Some ready-made income streams, not ready made, meaning that they're going to sell for you or there's no effort for you or anything of that nature. No, these are products and services that have already been created for you. All right. And it's ways for you to learn valuable skills that you can use on your job, skills that you can use towards your own coaching or your own side hustle. And you can even use these very products and services as you share them with people. You can even use these as a way for you to start earning extra income. So, this is what I mean by inviting you, giving you an invitation to a new possibility on how you can earn, and you can start earning right away. Okay. So, what are these core benefits for you? Well, you don't need to create anything. I mentioned that. There is a solid earning potential for you. This is a lot, it's not like your payroll check. You work 80 hours, you get paid. You work 80 hours, you get paid. This is based off of you post information online or via the mail or via email, but you post information online and then you let people who are interested come by, and if it resonates with them, they purchase. So this isn't like, oh, I post 5 videos and I get paid every 2 weeks. This is more along the line of affiliate marketing, and you're putting information out there. You're reselling a company's products and services, but there is I shouldn't say but, and there is a solid earning potential here. Okay. So you can learn while you're earning. You have access to premium content, and you have full control on how fast or slow you want to go. You have full control over your pace. So it's really designed to make things simple for you, right? Because the key thing that I have to keep in mind for yourself and for me, we're working Monday through Friday or whatever your work schedule is. You're putting in 40 hours. So you don't want to fill up your entire weekend working. The thing about when you're doing things online, it's you get to batch. I want to just go into something here real quick. You can batch prepare your content in batches. It may take you 2 hours to do, it may take you 4 hours to do. When I say you go at your own pace, you go at your own pace. So if you want to create a day's worth of content, every day, you can do that. If you want to batch produce like I do, I usually use one day in the week and then Saturday or Sunday to get my content together. But the thing about it is it's designed for you, for it to be simple for you and at your own pace. Okay. Well, here's the most important part, and I probably should have started with this. But what's the potential? You want a side income, and everybody's different. You know, you may be accustomed to a six-figure a year income. You may be accustomed to $50,000 a year. I don't know what your salary is, but when you come online, you get the opportunity to pick what you want your salary to be. And generally, when you pick what you want your salary to be, it also means that if you have these particular products that you're reselling, that also means that you purchase the product at the level that you want to earn at. Does that make sense? So if you want to start reselling a $27 product, that means that you probably purchased it at $27. If you want to sell a $57 product, that may mean that you are going to resell it at 57. There is a product that I have where you can purchase this module of digital marketing videos. You purchase it for $497, and that means that you're going to earn $422 because the company pays out 85% commissions. Do you see what I mean? And so you can create your own product with these things that you learn and resell it. So there's a lot of different, remember I said there's a lot of different possibilities for you. And that's why this invitation is so important, because it may be new to you, but you can actually come here online and you can create your own earning path. So the potential is whatever you desire it for it to be, right? And that may sound vague, it may not, but if you're wanting to earn $50, then you go and get you a product where you can earn $50 over and over. If you're wanting to earn $500, $1,000, you go and get you a product that's going to produce that type of income that you want to earn. You can even tweak products and resell them. What do I mean by that? You buy a product, they take you through the steps on how you can make that, put your name on it. And you don't even have to have created it. You just put your name on it a few different places, and then it's yours and you can resell it. Okay, there's even crowdfunding platforms out here that have an affiliate component. So if you want to start receiving $12 contributions, $50, $100, $250, $500, it's just the potential is whatever you want it to be. Okay, there's a strategy for whatever it is that you want to do. Okay, and if you don't like any of those ideas, because those are just things that I'm using to generate extra income for a side hustle for myself as I work full time. But you don't have to do those. You can create your own path. I just encourage you to start learning and earning at your own pace. Start taking some type of action where you can put yourself in a position to start generating income. So, what you're left with, my friend, is a decision. This is a decision point for you. Do you go this way? Do you go that way? Is this the wrong way? Is this the right way? Do you turn around this way? The main thing is so you can keep, I don't want you to be in a cycle of where you're just trying to figure it out on your own. Okay. I want you to be in a position where you can step into something that's already ready to go if that fits you. I'm just saying that because, like I said, I have a very demanding career, been doing it 30 plus years. In this particular position that I'm in now, I've been doing it 27 years, and my time is precious, so I have to be very strategic. But I'm also wanting to put myself on the other side of money, right? Because I'm in a position where I owe more than I earn. So I got to up jump the boogie. I'm over 55 years of age. So I don't have a whole lot of time to just be scrolling, looking for something. I'm looking for a strategy. I'm looking for something that works. I'm looking for something that when I do present it to individuals like you who want to have a side income, side hustle, I want to make sure that it's going to produce the type of profits that's going to lead me closer and smack dab to where I need to be financially as well. So that's why I'm talking to you as if I'm talking to myself. All right. So I'm wanting you to, if only if you want to, step into something that's already ready to go for you. So this is my call to action, right? Click the the links in the video description to get access. You can take a tour, you can read up and see the things that I'm doing. You can start learning, you can start sharing, you can start earning and putting yourself in a position to start earning today. Okay? You can do that. I can't make any promises. That was my disclaimer. I don't know when you're going to start, how you're going to do it, but I do know that whatever your skill level is, you can learn more skills, but there's no respecter of person when it comes over here. You put in the time, you learn, you're diligent, you're consistent. This is something that you can do in addition to you also finding that traditional part-time job. Anymore now, you need 5, 6, 10 different type of income streams, but I don't want you to be overwhelmed. Start with one and get that rolling and then go to the next one. So click the link or the links in the video description and explore. All right. And I appreciate your time today and many blessings.